Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable or disable bedtime mode on your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. So, in order to do that, first of all, let's open up our settings. Now in our settings, scroll down to your digital well-being and parental controls. Tap here. Now scroll down to your bedtime mode and press start. Now you can adjust your bedtime mode, so you can set your usual sleep and wake up times, and sleep mode will turn on and off at these times. So for example, we need our sleep mode on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So tap on these switches. Now you can adjust, you can set an alarm, right? So you can adjust your alarm sound, you can enable or disable wake up alarm. You can choose your preferred timing by rearranging it on this clock. So for example, you're going to sleep at midnight and waking up at 9 a.m. So just leave it like this. It will work on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Let's take off our weekends and press next. Now, if you don't want to have any kind of distractions in this mode, simply enable do not disturb mode, right? Press done and press next. Now you are to choose what to do in sleep mode, so always on display, grayscale, dark mode, power 7 and so on. I'll just leave it as always on display. Press done, and now we've got our sleep mode turned on. If you want to turn it off, in this exact menu press turn off, and now our sleep mode has turned off. And that's it. Alright, so if you want to delete it, once again, let me show it to you. In your digital well-being tab, press sleep mode, find these 3 horizontal dots at the top right corner and press delete. Press delete, and now sleep mode is disabled. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.